The products showcased in the slides are conceptualized based on initial specifications. It's important to note that the features discussed may or may not be included in the final release versions, and the anticipated release dates are subject to change. Furthermore, all specifications mentioned are subject to potential adjustments without prior notification.
Welcome to our overview of Geovision products for 2024. This is the third last part of the webinar. We will mainly focus on cloud solution. During this section, we will go through GV-Cloud structure, hardware, updated features in GV-Cloud's web portal. Also, have a review on Cloud VMS and Cloud Access Control. So, let's dig in. GV-Cloud consists of 5 major functions: Cloud VMS for video monitoring and playback, access control for management of access controllers, readers and users, VPN to create a virtual private network to connect Geovision software running on separate networks, EMAP to help the user better visualize the surveillance and access control environment, and account management to create and configure the privileges of GV-Cloud users. There are many ways to integrate devices to the GV-Cloud ecosystem. For Cloud VMS, we have direct-to-cloud cameras which can be connected directly to GV-Cloud without the need for additional software or hardware. Alternatively, users with non-cloud Geovision cameras or third-party cameras can connect to the cloud using Cloud Bridge or the VMS and AI Guard software. For cloud access, we also have direct-to-cloud controllers, readers and LPR cameras. Users with non-cloud readers and controllers can connect to the cloud using Cloud Bridge Pro. Our direct-to-cloud camera lineup has been further expanded to now offer cameras with different form factors, motorized lenses, 3-axis adjustability and full color capability. We plan to add a new direct-to-cloud fisheye camera in the near future. One feature-rich cloud camera we'd like to highlight is the GV-VPN. It is a 4MP super low-lux full-color series dome camera with built-in AI and built-in microphone and speaker. More importantly, this camera supports both the AI active deterrence and smart supplement light feature previously introduced. Cloud VMS has added a new AI search function for people and vehicles when used with VMS v20, AI Guard version 2.0 in certain AI camera models. For people, users will be able to search by age, gender, upper and lower clothing color, as well as whether the person has any accessories such as a bag or a hat. In this screenshot, we filtered results for people wearing hats. For vehicles, users can search by vehicle type, color, brand, license plate and speed. In this screenshot, we filtered results for white vehicles. To review, Cloud VMS is a cloud-based video surveillance solution that can be conveniently accessed through a web browser or the accompanying GV-Cloud app. It supports live view, playback, video export and sharing, as well as event snapshots, notification and query. Users can remotely monitor the host's recording and storage status and sign up for cloud video backup if needed. AI events and AI event search are also supported. You can also go to YouTube to find out more setup information about Cloud VMS. There are 2 new controller, reader and IP camera 3-in-1 devices. The CA1331 and IA1330, both devices can be directly connected to GV-Cloud Access. The CA1331 features a 2-megapixel camera and is capable of reading 13.56 MHz access cards. It supports 2-way doorbell intercom function and is IP66 rated. The local non-cloud version of this device is the CS1320. The IA1330 features a 1-megapixel camera and is capable of reading 13.56 MHz access cards. It supports 2-way doorbell intercom function and is IP56 rated. The local non-cloud version of this device is the IA1320. Here is a comparison chart between the IA1330 and CA1331. The main difference is the camera resolution, device IP rating and OSDP support. When the doorbell is triggered on the CA1331 or IA1330, the live view pops up in GV-Cloud and the user can choose to accept the call to start the 2-way intercom function, reject the call, or unlock the door. Cloud Bridge Pro combines the functions of two devices, Cloud Bridge and ISCWest into one. It can connect up to 8 IP cameras and up to 4 door controller to GV-Cloud for live view, playback and door control. The device supports third-party IP cameras via RTSP and ONVIF and RTMP streaming to streaming platforms. Furthermore, Cloud Bridge Pro supports GV-VPN, SATA SSD for local recordings and RS-485 for connecting access control readers. Previously, users needed both an ISCWest and Cloud Bridge to connect controllers and cameras to GV-Cloud for snapshots, live view and playback. Cloud Bridge Pro simplifies the hardware structure so that users only need one device for the same functionality. The previously introduced FR Panel V2 can also be integrated to GV-Cloud for face recognition-based access control. Users will be able to enroll faces, set up authentication modes and query face recognition access events all from the Cloud Access web interface. Likewise, the previously introduced LPR2812DL's LPR function also supports GV-Cloud integration. Users can manage the LPR database, configure access schedules and query LPR results through Cloud Access. A reminder on activating licenses for GV-Cloud. After inputting the Cloud license serial number, be sure to click the License Cameras or License Doors button to enable the license on the cameras or doors. Cloud Access Control brings access control setup, management and monitoring to the user's fingertips. Users can easily add or edit devices, modify user lists and access rules, monitor real-time access events and control doors as well as query access and system log events from the Cloud web interface. Door monitoring, door control and event push notifications are also available through the GV-Cloud app. Cloud Access's functionality is further expanded with the added support for intercom function, face recognition events and LPR events when used in conjunction with supported hardware. There is another section of Cloud Access Control in YouTube to demonstrate the things like connecting GV-ISCWest to GV-Cloud Access Control or setting up GV-Cloud Access Control region. Please check out further detail in YouTube channel. GV-VPN utilizes P2P virtual private network to connect Geovision software across different networks through the internet with no need for firewall or port forwarding configuration. The connections are encrypted for security and are free up to 10 hosts. 128 and 256 or more host license options are available. GV-VPN is installed on each of the PCs running Geovision software. The PCs are then connected through our GV-Cloud P2P virtual private network for enhanced security and no need for complicated network configuration. For a complete series of GV-Cloud setup lecture, please check out our YouTube channel. Simply go on to YouTube and type the keyword Geovision GV-Cloud. Then you should be able to find a playlist of GV-Cloud video there. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about our products or have any product-related questions, please visit our website or email us at support@geovision.com.tw. See you next time.